Hello. Is she still here? Is this person in the white car family or friend?
Where?
Is this? Who's this?
I don't know, sir. That might be who she is.
Okay. Hey, how you doing?
How are you?
Hey, can you step out of the car for me, please?
Yes, I'm here.
Go ahead, step out of the car for me, please. Step out of the car for me, please.
Why?
Because I'm giving you a lawful order. You need to step out of the car for me, please. Okay?
I'm here waiting on somebody because I talked to them and they told me to go ahead and come here.
Okay, I need you to step out of the car for me, though, please.
Okay, I'm listening.
Okay, step out of the car.
Okay. Do I need to call my lawyer? Because
No.
I'm here to talk to someone
No, I need you to step out
that
of the
I've
car.
been seeing.
I need you to step out of the car for me.
Okay.
There you go.
Yeah, Luna's, you're on speaker.
Okay. Who are you talking to?
I'm on the phone with my sister,
Okay.
and she's on video call. And
Okay.
I'm here waiting for the person that I've been seeing.
Were you in the backyard back here?
No, I've been in my car. I've been
Okay.
on camera the whole time.
Okay. So why is the gate to the backyard open?
It's been open.
And why would she call saying you were in the
Because
backyard?
I came here to talk to her because
Okay.
I thought he was already here, and she told me that she don't need me to be here, and I told her this is not her property. I'll be waiting here for him when he gets here.
Who was she?
She told me her name is Kiana. I don't know who she is.
So do you live here?
No, Nash live here. Nash.
Okay. Who? Okay, so who did you talk to that said you could be here?
Nash.
Who's Nash?
Nash is the owner of the house.
Does he have a phone number?
Yes.
Okay. And what's your relation to Nash?
I've been dating him.
Okay. You have your ID with you?
Yes, somewhere
All right.
in here, but I'm not going to give you all my ID and all this information because at the end of the day, you're here to check.
Hey, ma'am,
what
can you
it
come
is
over
to
here
say.
real quick?
And please ask her, tell her I'm in a video call to tell the truth. Did she see me go in the backyard? Because my camera's been on the whole time, and you can check to see if you see any footprint on the grass also. My car has.
What's your living status here? Like, are you the homeowner? Or are you family? What's the deal?
Family.
Okay. Who owns the house? Nash. Okay. Have you heard of this female at all ever before?
No, not before tonight.
Okay, because she's saying that she's like dating Nash and had permission to be over here. Hold on, I'm talking. That she's allowed to be here and all this other stuff. Do you have a way to get a hold of Nash? Because I tried calling them and there's no information on
She's
file.
never been here before.
Okay. So can you try calling him for me?
He's in class right now.
He's in class. Okay. Do you have any text logs or anything with Nash that shows?
Officer, this is my camera with ADT.
Okay.
And as I told her, and I don't know why she told you that I went in their backyard. I've been parked here in my car.
Do you have camera footage of her going back there?
I can't see the cameras
Good.
from here, but the light kept going on and off, so it made me think that somebody was in the backyard.
Okay.
Because when I asked her to leave, she didn't leave.
Yes, because I
So,
said I'm waiting
I'm
for
still
the person
talking to the
that
officer.
owns the place. That's
So
what I told
I
her.
said I'm going to call the police because
Pebble.
when you tell me you're not leaving and you start yelling, you're starting to make me nervous.
Understandable. Okay, well, I need some form of conversation between you and Nash that shows that you have a relationship with him in some sort.
Okay, so him coming to my house.
Yeah, that's not enough for me. I need proof that you are allowed to be here in some way.
Okay, I can go ahead and show you the phone logs of him calling me and me calling him.
Is that him?
Yes, this is his number. This is the private number that I've been calling on, and this is the rest. Right.
Okay. Well, I'm not seeing that. Do you have any text messages or anything
I
like
don't have
that?
text messages, but I have the phone calls.
Okay. I need your identification card so I can trespass you from the property, please. Okay. So can I get your ID card from you?
Okay. Give me 1 second.
I've given you plenty of time. You won't have anything like that. Okay. So I need your identification card so I can trespass you from the property.
Sis, you're on speaker.
I'm here.
Like, he's saying that he needs my information to trespass me from the property, and he's not looking at any of the phone calls between me and him.
What do you mean he needs to? What does he mean by that?
Can you explain to my sister what you mean?
I can explain to you.
Yeah,
Your sister isn't here.
Yeah, you can
I need your
explain to me.
identification card so I can trespass you from the
What does
property.
trespass mean?
You're not allowed to be back on this property unless you're invited back over by somebody. And if that person invites you back over, they have to be here, and I have to go.
Should I get
Temple.
something on him also? Because at the end of the day, he's been coming to my house and he have girls calling my phone. Here's all the text messages of the girl that called me, and she told me that I'm taking her men. This is all the.
Okay, I'm not worried about that. I need your identification card so I can trespass you from the property. 196, come block this vehicle.
Did you just ask him to come block my vehicle?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm gonna call my.
I need your identification card. I need your ID.
I'm gonna give you that.
Give me
but
the
I
ID.
need you to hear and look at the things that I'm showing
Give
you.
me your ID card.
Please step back.
Give me your ID card. Put the phone down and
my
give me
sister's on the phone.
Give me the phone. Put the phone down and give me the ID card. Is your radio off?
No, what'd you say?
I asked you to block her vehicle in because she's not cooperating. You're already here. It's fine.
He's gonna put a trespassing on me instead of hearing my side of the story of why I'm here. I've been getting harassment calls.
Give me the ID. Turn your vehicle off. Turn your vehicle off.
This is really.
And give me the key.
Sir, I have to go.
Give me the vehicle key.
No, I cannot give
You should have
Ma'am.
come over here if you had to go.
Ma'am, look at me.
Give him the
Look,
key.
What?
look
Step
at
out
me.
of the vehicle.
Oh my god. Are you serious?
Yes, give me the key of the vehicle.
Okay, can
Ma'am,
you please
listen to me.
explain
Look at me. One more time. I'm gonna
I need
let's
you to
stop.
explain to
Stop.
me
I'm gonna
first.
tell you one more time to give me that vehicle key. If you refuse one more lawful command of mine, you're gonna get handcuffed and you're gonna go to jail. So
Okay,
you can give me the vehicle key.
I'm gonna give you the
Give me
vehicle
the key.
Can you explain
Give me
to
the
me
key.
what you're doing?
Step
Here
out.
you go, sir.
Step out.
Sir,
Step out.
please, here's the
Step
key.
out.
It's too late.
Step out.
It is
it's-
too late.
Turn around.
Turn around. Put your
Turn
arms
around.
behind your back.
Oh my god. Can you call?
Put your hands behind your back.
I got her.
Oh my god.
It's amazing what happens when you don't listen.
Excuse me. I'm here to try
That's fine. Stop turning around.
Can you call?
Let me
Can
see
you
the
call
phone.
Daddy? What
Really?
is going on?
You turn
I'm
this-
trying to get an understanding of what you guys are saying.
You're not
I'm-
following lawful commands is what's going
224.
on. That's why
Okay.
you're going to jail.
Oh, you gonna take me to jail
Yes,
for
ma'am.
something I didn't even?
Yes, ma'am. You're going to jail.
I was trying to
Hey,
understand
copy of
what he's
Florida
saying.
Dio.
Oh my god.
Can you get your ID for me,
I
ma'am?
gave him the key and sir, I was trying to get an understanding of what he's saying.
No, you were arguing.
You stepped out of the
I
vehicle.
was not trying to argue with you. I literally asked. I said, "Can you please explain to me what is it that you were trying to do? I don't know what the thing is that you're doing. Can you please call Daddy and call the lawyer, please? You guys can check my record. You guys can check my phone and look at the time
Come on,
that
thank
this
you.
lady
I'll explain this whole
called me.
thing to you from start to finish, but if you interrupt me one time, we're done, and I'm just going to put you in my car. Does that sound like a good deal?
Please explain.
Okay. I get
Please.
called out here for a trespass warning. She is a resident of this house. You are not. You are trying to show me phone logs. You will not show me any text logs, and the phone logs you do show me only show 5 calls within the past couple of hours.
That was
Okay.
private. Sorry, that was private.
Okay. Well, it is private, but
I
she's
was
living.
trying to-
Stop.
Sorry.
She's living here. You're not. The male that you're talking about is not here. That's why I explained to you. I'll give you a trespass warning, and if he invites you back over there, the trespass warning is invalidated. But as of right now,
Thank
you're
you.
lawfully
Thank you
detained.
for
You're
explaining
lawfully
that.
detained, and
I
you
didn't
have.
know.
You're lawfully detained, and you have to give me ID. I already gave you a break because when I first got here and told you multiple times to get out of the car, I had the right to rip you out of the car and put you in handcuffs right then. But I'm a nice guy, and I try not to do that. So I gave you plenty of opportunity. And you made this choice yourself. So you're being arrested right now for resisting officer without violence.
Sir, I've
Okay?
never gotten-
And you're being issued a trespass warning.
Sir, I've never got into anything like that ever before.
So you do live here full time?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Have you ever seen this female in your life before?
I have not.
Is she allowed to be here or has been invited over here to your knowledge?
Yes, she has.
You wish her to be trespassed?
Yes.
Awesome. All right,
You
I'm
told her
gonna.
multiple times before we got here to leave the property.
Okay.
Can she please
No, we're not.
She's gonna be issued.
Call the police.
I
Walk
told her
this way.
Walk with this step. She's going to be issued with a trespass warning. If she comes back on the property I'm invited, she'll go to jail. If she's still here, if someone else invites her, like your brother or whatever, then the trespass warning is invalidated. I'm going to print that off real quick and give it to you. Yeah, no problem.
Go ahead and have a seat.
I am so sorry. I've never been in trouble before. I just wanted to understand what was going on. Please.
Right. You can take it inside if you want to. Let me grab a pen. Here's a pen for you. The top is going to be your information, and just give me a brief explanation of what happened. Like I said, you told her multiple times that
Yes, sir.
she was not welcome here to leave, and she still remained on your property.
Yes.
Thank you.
Look at me, please.
Ma'am, there's not much more I can tell you. What's happening is happening. If you wanted to comply and give him the ID, we would have been through with this, okay? He had you fill a statement out. Okay. Basically, that's not how this normally goes. If she provides a valid ID and lets us issue the trespass and leaves, that'd be fine. She's going to jail for resisting officers, lawful orders. Based on the vibe that I'm getting is that she's coming over here because she has kind of some issue with almost stalking your brother, it seems. So if you get in contact with him, if he allows her to be invited over here and wants to submit proof
I
of that,
never said he was my brother.
well, what's your relation with him?
He's my man.
Okay. I thought you said brother. I'm